Rescue tools are really important to have in your multi-pitch toolkit because we just don't know the unknowns in a day out. In the guiding context, we often refer to baseline as a rotary tool to help us select from our rescue toolkit for situations we might have. I'll showcase how to get to baseline from belaying a climber on a plaquette in a top belay situation. With all rescue scenarios, I like to encourage people to think about adding security before taking systems or security away. In this case, we can easily do this with a stopper knot to prevent any slip from happening on the brake side of the belay device. Baseline is a load releasable system known as the Munter Mule Overhand and requires us to put a friction hitch on the climbing rope and the Munter Mule Overhand on a system that is not currently being utilized within the belay device. A great friction hitch for holding lots of weight that is reliable is the Climeist. You could also use a prusik, or if the auto block works, you can use it. I'm going to place this on the climbing line, and I'll use a non-locking carabiner in order to establish this load releasable system. I don't need to use a locking carabiner because my primary security is the belay device with the lockers associated with it. From here, I'll put a half loop twist into that non-locking carabiner, which has formed half of the Munter hitch. Now I can pull and tension as hard as possible to remove slack and then roll the Munter into itself in the loaded, intended position. Then, with the brake strand captured, I'm going to take a loop around the tension strand and tie this off. We refer to this as the mule knot. You'll oftentimes see people do an overhand to finish this off to prevent any slipping. You could also do a half hitch as well. Now we have a load releasable system, which will come in handy for later. Let's tension that system even more by removing tension from our belay device, which we can do by ratcheting the belay system open. Technically, we're still on the belay device as our primary, even though there's slack, and now also on this temporary holding ledge called the Munter Mule Overhand. Now, another Munter Mule Overhand is going to be created with a locking carabiner and placed on the front side or the back side of the plate. I prefer the back side because it's a little bit easier to work with. The Munter is created, which is our new belay device. Because we've added a new belay device, we can remove the old belay device as long as we're maintaining control of the new belay device brake strand. For clarity, I'll remove the plate, and now we want to remove slack from the system. An easy way to do that is to find this pierced tongue and pull that tongue through, which removes the slack. When we do this, we can pull very tight on that system and then remove the slack while keeping the Munter in the correct orientation. Now, we'll throw in that mule, and in this case, I'll showcase the overhand to tie off the system. From here, I can release that temporary ledge by taking out that half hitch, pulling through the mule, okay? And then at the very end, I'll compress the Munter and pull the mule in the direction of the brake strand for the Munter and release any slack that I have in the system. There wasn't much slack because I utilized and managed my slack appropriately during that drill. From here, we'll break everything down, and what we're left with is baseline. So from baseline, we can lower people, we can raise people, although I would argue that's much harder to do now than it was before, or we can transition to a technical descent. In this case, it would probably be a counterbalance rappel. In all these scenarios, there are more efficient ways to get from point A to your intended point B without going to baseline. However, baseline is a great place to be because of the clarity of the system and the minimal gear use that it takes to get to baseline. We're using up one locking carabiner and the rope, and we're protecting our climber. Now I have all the gear resources available to me that I would have to perform the next steps of our rescue. I hope baseline helps you all start your rescue journey with someone who can help show you the way.